Rubber mulch is a great option for gardeners who want to create a natural-looking, weed-free, low-maintenance area in their garden. However, there have been reports of snakes being attracted to the mulch and becoming ensnared in the sticky material. What is rubber mulch? Rubber mulch refers to that product made by removing the metal belts from vehicle tires and then milling the leftover rubber into pieces. Hence, it is a recycled mixed rubber product made from whatever tires ended up in the system. What makes rubber mulch so great? Do snakes like rubber mulch? Rubber mulch is an effective soil cover for certain applications. A few positives include: it is cheap, long-lasting, weed-free, and doesn't require much maintenance. Rubber mulch is durable. It lasts for years in most conditions, including wet and dry climates. Rubber mulch can be used in places where plant growth is not wanted, such as the edge of paths, around patios, and under playground equipment. Rubber mulch is made from recycled tires. It has no fertilizer value at all. It has no real contribution to make to the natural environment in any way actually. But it is a barrier to weeds. Mixed reports suggest that it may either be safe or slightly toxic. Rubber has no nutrient content and also no real ability to retain water. Hence, a thick surface rubber mulch will tend to inhibit weed growth. You can place rubber mulch on a variety of different surfaces. It also works well in pots, containers, and flower beds as weed suppressive layer. Rubber mulch is also apparently a great insulator and can keep soil around plants with heat-sensitive roots at a few degrees lower than other mulches. For the moment, it is considered safe for people, pets, birds, bees, and fish. It can be used on roadsides, pathways, and sidewalks. Rubber mulch can be used in areas that don't get much sun. It can also be used in areas where you want to protect your soil from erosion. It can be used to prevent erosion and build up the soil. It is eco-friendly. Rubber mulch is recyclable. It is made from recycled tires, which means that it will help reduce the amount of waste in landfills. It also helps save energy and money. Do snakes like rubber mulch? Snakes are predators and are drawn to an area looking for either food or a place to hide. Small snakes such as slug eaters and mole snakes will easily hide in rubber mulch and are of little threat. However, larger snakes that need a bit of heat to warm them up could be attracted to the surface temperature of a rubber mulch. If you see a snake in your garden, then it is important to know if it is a poisonous or non-poisonous snake. If you are not sure which type of snake it is, then you should contact your local reptile rescue center or a snake specialist for advice. How do I protect my garden from snakes? Some species of snakes specialize in eating slugs, snails, and small insects. Rats and mice should be eliminated from your garden so you have no resident food source for snakes. If you see a snake in your garden, contact your local wildlife control service immediately. They may be able to provide you with some snake repellent. If you have rats and mice around, the chances are that you will find more snakes in your garden, and you will definitely see these snakes more easily if they are sunning themselves on the warm surface of some rubber mulch than if they are hiding in some leaves. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.